feels wrong, something isn't right.
In case of financial markets, there are three kinds of trends. One is uptrend, when the market is rising. There is another which is known as downtrend, when the market keeps on falling. And there is third trend which is known as side trend, in which case the market is neither rising or neither falling, it's on a particular stagnant stage. The demand and supply are the important forces which creates the increase or decrease of the market or rise or the fall of the market. If we talk about a particular trend, you see here, you will say these shows some trend. Here this shows a downward trend, this particular line shows an upward trend, this again shows a downward trend, and so on. So how do we identify different trends whenever we are doing the technical analysis? So in case of an downward trend, you will see that there is one lower top and the next one is lower bottom. Now the next lower top will be comparatively less as compared to earlier lower top, and the second next lower bottom will be less compared to the last lower bottom. And this trend keeps on repeating itself, that again the next lower top is less than the previous lower top, and the next lower bottom is again less than the previous lower bottom. So if this trend is keep on running, then it is a clear cut indication that market is showing a downward trend. Similarly, if I talk about the upward trend, then you will say that there is something higher top and there is something higher bottom. The next higher top will be high as compared to previous higher top, and again the next higher bottom will be higher than the previous higher bottom. If this trend continues for the next certain days or certain points in the analysis, you will say the next higher top is greater than the previous higher top, and again the next higher bottom is greater than the previous higher bottom. So this is showing an increasing trend towards one direction. So you can simply say that it's a upward trend. Likewise, there is some sideways trend, that market is showing a simple neither upward nor downward trend. These are the important thing which always every technical analyst need to consider before starting his technical investments.